This video shows how we can save the recorded videos from my camera to the Google Drive using the shared folder in your laptop. So yeah, first we have to create a new folder in your local drive, and you have to share it. And make sure when you're sharing it with everyone. And if you are not able to see the everyone option, you have to drop it down from the top menu. Okay, now go to advanced sharing and go to the share this folder, and you have to access the permission for so that everyone can make the changes into this folder. Then only the camera can access to this folder and write files into it. So once it's done, click OK, and now we have to download the Google Drive. So if you already have this application, you can skip this step. Yeah, so I will just quickly download this and I will skip the steps. So I guess it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, so I have it installed, and now let's do a quick setup and let's see how we can share the folder into this drive. So I will go to the start menu and open the backup and sync. That is the default application they use for interfacing the Google Drive with your local computer. So I will just go into it. It will take a couple of minutes to load the first time. Yeah, it's on. So I'll just move this aside. Okay, so in this we will get started. So first you have to sign in with your Gmail ID and password, and then you have to find and you have to point which folder you want to share in the Google Drive. So we have two options here. You can either go for the original quality or you can go for the higher quality, but I would always prefer to go with the higher quality because it will help you to optimize, and it is practically unlimited. You cannot fill the space, and in terms of quality you will not have any significant reduction in the space. Then I will choose my folder location for the backup. So this is my cam is my folder. I will just choose the folder and make sure this high quality is on. Yeah, and I will uncheck all the other folders. It's up to you. If you want to back up all these drives, then you can go for it, but for now I will just stick on to what the main folder is. You can also check if you want to upload this into Google Pictures, then you can go for that. I will also change the speed limit. If you are using your laptop for other purposes, then the significant bandwidth will be used by the Google Drive. I don't want to share my Google Drive into my local PC to consume a lot of space, and again it's up to you. If you want to do that, you can simply do it. Then I will close. Yep. So this is the folder and it is being shared online. That's the green tick, as you can see there. Okay, now in order to the camera to access the folder, you have to enable this option in the Windows features. It's simple, and you can do it right from the start menu. You can type turn on or off Windows features and you can check that button, and you have to restart the system once it's done to effect changes. You may also want to check up the network settings, if it is allowing the public access and all. It's pretty straightforward and you can just do it by yourself. For me, my default options worked, so I never had to change any of this. If it's not working for you, and this is where you have to look at. So now I will go to my phone application and this is my screen as you see, and this is my front screen. I put this camera in the out space, and yeah, it works very well. So I will go to the network storage settings, and you can see two of my laptops are connected. I will go for the second one, and you have to just input your username and password for your laptop account, and select the storage location. In this location you will see the shared storage, that is the MiCam. Just select it, click done, finish. It will start syncing automatically, and or it will take a couple of hours to complete based on how much information you have in your camera SD card. You can select the duration, and also you can pick on what interval you want to sync with your laptop. You can do it once in a day, every hour, or even live. I will keep it live for now, so that we want to see it's working or not. So just keep it live and click OK. Yeah, it's complete. Now you can close the application, and you don't have to look at it anymore. The settings are saved into the camera, so even if the application is not running, it will work perfectly fine. So let's go into the system again, and if you open the folder, you can see that the files are being synced. These are shorter bits of the files, and I guess it will work pretty fast, because I'm using a dual band modem, so the transfer rate will be much better. Now if you go to Google Drive, and you have to open the PC, your laptop, and if you're going to the folder, you can see that yeah, so this is the folder that is getting synced, and this is the information that we have. I'll close it. Okay, these files are getting synced, and one is almost complete. Let's check the quality. Okay, so it looks to me like even if we have chosen for the lower quality, I don't see any significant reduction in the pixels, but still there is a bit of a noise. I don't know how it came, but this is pretty decent. You have to consider the fact that you can use it endlessly. You can use it for a lifetime. It's free, and it's free of cost. Yeah, so that's it guys. I guess it helps, and please let me know if you have any comments in the comment box below. I will be happy to answer. Bye.